Trail comes right here and it actually cuts that way, and then the tree couldn't be any more in the middle of the trail. Okay, so we could bypass next to it, but I don't know, man, it looks like a lot of fun, so I think we're gonna jump in and start cutting.
This is the new line. You're gonna leave this tree right there. You're gonna cut across this small brush here and go right over these two ledges. Hole is covered up a little bit. Needs to be worked in. Woohoo! Thank you, Chris.
Yeah!